Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link your bank account to Betterment. If you don't have a Betterment account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $5,000 in assets managed free. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see a section for connected accounts. Under Connected Account, you will see a button that says Connect New. Click on Connect New. Now, select how you wish to connect your bank, either instantly or manually. In this video, I chose to connect instantly. If you also selected to connect instantly, Betterment will use Plaid to connect the account. To proceed, click on Get Started. First, select the institution you wish to connect. Then enter your bank account credentials. To verify your identity, an authorization code will be sent to your phone number. Select how you wish to receive it, either via text message or phone call. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Lastly, read the terms and conditions. Then click on Share My Data. That's how you link your bank account to Betterment. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.